Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informative reviews. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at HIMS, the online platform designed to provide men with convenient and affordable access to healthcare solutions. From hair loss and erectile dysfunction to anxiety, HIMS offers a discreet and streamlined approach to addressing common health concerns. Links to the HIMS products discussed in this video are available in the description below. HIMS simplifies the process of obtaining treatment. After signing up, you'll engage in a secure online consultation, a short questionnaire that's reviewed by a licensed healthcare professional. Upon approval, your medication is shipped directly to you in discreet packaging, prioritizing your privacy and convenience. One of HIMS' most compelling advantages is its affordability. They provide FDA-approved treatments at prices that are often significantly lower than traditional pharmacies. For example, medications for hair loss like finasteride and minoxidil are considerably more budget-friendly when purchased through HIMS. They also offer customizable subscription plans, ensuring you never have to worry about running out of your necessary medications. Accessibility is a key focus for HIMS. Eliminating the need for in-person doctor visits, the platform caters to busy individuals and those who may feel uneasy discussing sensitive health issues face-to-face. This online approach makes accessing care much simpler and more comfortable. My personal experience with HIMS was extremely positive. The online consultation was quick, taking roughly 10 minutes, and the healthcare provider's feedback was thorough and professional. Shipping was also efficient. I received my order within a few days. I was particularly impressed with their responsive and helpful customer support team, who readily answered my questions about modifying my subscription. It's important to acknowledge that HIMS is primarily designed for managing non-emergency, ongoing conditions. They do not address acute medical issues, and for serious or complex health concerns, consulting your regular doctor is crucial. However, for its target audience, men seeking convenient and cost-effective solutions for everyday health challenges, HIMS represents a significant step forward. If you're interested in exploring HIMS further, you can find helpful links in the description below. We'd love to hear from you. Share your thoughts, questions, and experiences with HIMS in the comments section. And remember to like and subscribe for more reviews from Rome Tech.